DeFi has a major problem. Rug pulls happen left and right all over the DeFi space. This leaves investors scared, never wanting to return. Is there a way this can be changed? Well, at least that's what Liquid Capital is trying to do. The best way to describe Liquid Capital is if Titano and Sphere had a baby. Now, Titano has a 102,000 fixed APY lasting 4 years, as Sphere's already stopped their rebases, 2.5 months to be exact for how long the rebases were. Now, Liquid Capital is only going to go for 4 months until they reevaluate it, with a decline in daily returns each month. Titano also has a 1.9% daily ROI no matter what. Liquid Capital, on the other hand, changes their daily returns weekly based on their volume, market cap, and buy and sell taxes. This gives Liquid Capital further control for their sustainability and long-term vision. But how does Liquid Capital solve DeFi's biggest problems? Well, Liquid Capital created the Circle of Trust. The Circle of Trust was made for partners between projects and investors' confidence within the DeFi space. The only way projects can enter the Circle of Trust is to get doxed and have their contracts audited by the Liquid Capital team or a reputable company. Well, how successful is the Circle of Trust? At the time of this recording, they have 38 official projects, which range from tomb forks, NFT projects, rebase protocols, and even all the way to a decentralized exchange. If that wasn't enough, they also want you to learn about these projects. And I know what you're thinking. Nobody wants to do that. And I understand, and I would normally agree with you. But what if I told you they will pay you to learn? Liquid Capital made a DeFi educational platform, which is a learn-to-earn system. Not much has been said about it yet, but I expect it to be like Coinbase's on how they pay you to learn about different projects. But how can we trust the team? Their whole core team is publicly KYC'd or doxed, as most well-known on their team, Eric, has been on numerous AMAs showing his face. Another investor confidence booster is that the Liquid Capital team solved 2 rug pulls and acquired investors into Liquid Capital while saving $800,000 in investors' funds. $800,000 in investors' fund from saving 2 rug pulls. But the thing is, that one act shows how far they are willing to go for us, the investors. They're always solving problems. Now, how exactly is Liquid Capital going to take over DeFi? Most people see rebase tokens as a 95% dip waiting to happen. But what if I told you Liquid Capital has partnered with Horde? Horde is known for their LMS system, along with yield nodes to sustain their prices. LMS stands for Liquidity Management Service. LMS works when you set a price range. For example, let's do Liquid Capital's. When the price goes below 7.5 cents, Liquid Capital buys Liquid Capital tokens on the market to push the price back up. When the price is below 25 cents, they sell to push the price back down. This system prevents huge spikes and drop-offs within the volatile market. The Liquid Capital team acquired the one and only David. Now, if you don't know who the one and only David is, he is also one of the core members of Titano. And if you don't know what Titano is, Titano was the most copied DeFi project of the year. Me personally, when Liquid Capital acquired the one and only David, that made me want to invest even more, just because all the experience and failures and all the in-betweens with Titano, he could bring that experience and further help the Liquid Capital team bypass all those problems. With all that said, even though this project has much upside potential, it's still a DeFi project and still has a long way to go before it even succeeds itself and even takes over DeFi. I personally took the risk and invested in pre-sale because I do believe in the team. I believe in David. I believe in Eric. I think they have something going here that a lot of rebasing tokens don't have. So they have an upper edge on a lot of things, and I can't wait to see what they do. But if you're thinking of getting in Liquid Capital, make sure you know all the risks before you do so.